Hello everyone, welcome to Money Magnet. Please subscribe my channel and visit my Facebook group. Um, I post regularly videos on earning money online through, through different ways. So let's start. Here is a list of top affiliate marketing websites and programs. You can start any of if you want. These are most paying websites. We will start with ClickBank because ClickBank is most famous and most paying website. Okay, let's start. You can also promote your products if you are a dropshipper or a seller on Amazon or eBay. This is most successful advertising platform and also working more than 200 countries. Become a seller. You can see this 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 is very easy to start affiliate marketing. Let's check how to sign up. This not asking for much details, just country, email and your password. And see Shopify affiliate marketing. This, you know what Shopify is. Shopify is website builder, and this space, if someone sign up on your email on your link and then buy a program in any package of Shopify, you will also get paid. How does Shopify affiliate work? How Shopify affiliate make money? This is $25. Dollar is minimum. If you have less than $25, they will not get you money. You have to make more than that. An average $58. This is so high. Shopify gives $58 average. So don't wait and start Shopify affiliate marketing. I will give the links in the description. They have all support, and see, this is also very easy. Just email, username and password. This is Fiverr, yeah, everyone know this is freelancing website, world biggest freelancing website. You just have to give a traffic to the world famous website of freelancing. They will pay you back. Just join an affiliate program, promote Fiverr and start earning. So much easy. You can also promote by making other people affiliate marketers. You will have a link and if they will get affiliate marketing, you will also get paid. See, they have so much good website. Just start earning now. Let's go to other package of reward. This is biggest affiliate marketing website. See, they have offers, affiliate networks, and letting them reload. Yes, there is. Check them. They are paying 12, 23, There is affiliate network. They are working with this website. You can also join them from this website. Pay as per call offers. This is on calling offers. If you get them customer, they will pay you $50, $8, $25, $10. Mobile offers. This is also a type of affiliate marketing, and you can check the rates 8, 6, 10. They vary from all each other. Yeah, check it. They are so interesting and so amazing web packages. You can also advertise your and add your network. They also give you a free training program. You can visit their Facebook or YouTube channel. Let's see their YouTube channel, and there are so much videos about their packages and training programs. Yeah, they and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please share me. Thank you very much for watching my video.